Oh man, made the Keith Durkee concoction. Air frying some potatoes O'Brien. And the concoction. Oh my god, it's so good. A little bit of sour cream. It's technology. Yeah, look at that. This does a great job air frying.
We don't talk about students. We don't talk about teachers.
We got enough food to get us through this epic blizzard. I think I gotta keep warm and start. Now it keeps track of keeping warm. I love this thing has a sous vide, option. Which, if you never had like a sous vide steak or something like that, it's incredible. So yeah, technology.